Today you have to start with 1.3 second example. This is 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. So this example is not in the standard form. So you have to convert it into the standard form. So you have to transpose this minus 4 that side. This minus 4 become plus 4. Then this becomes 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. And you have to transpose this minus 5y this side. Minus 5y become plus 5y. And this equation becomes 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. And you have to compare this equation with the standard linear equation. Standard linear equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then you have to find out the value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. This x is equal to x, a1 is equal to 4, y is equal to y, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to x, a2 is equal to 6, y is equal to y, b2 is equal to 5 and this c2 is equal to 8. Once we will get the value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, then it is very easy to find out the dx and dy. Everybody understand? If you want to find out the dx and dy, at that time by tricky method you have to say that this one is a, b, c, b, a, c. Downside also a, b, c, b, a, c. Upside 1 will come, downside 2. Upside 1, downside 2, like this you have to write all these things. And here the constant term will not come, so you have to say that this one is d. Here coefficient of a will not come, so you have to say that this one is dx. Here coefficient of y will not come, so you have to say that this term is dy. Then if you want to find out dx and dy, you have to put the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in dx and dy. I will put these values here. a1 is equal to 4, a1 is equal to 4. Then b1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5, 6, 5. In the c1, b1, c1 is 4 and b1 is 3. Like this you have to put all the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. After that you have to, if you want solve the determinant, you have to do the cross multiplication like that. You have to draw the arrows pointing downside. Here also you have to draw the arrows pointing downside. Here also you have to draw the arrows in cross pointing downside. Then you have to do the product. If you want to find out d, at that time 4 multiplied by 5 in one bracket minus 3 multiplied by 6. Stop. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 minus sign as it is. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. Means we will get the value of d as 2. Then you have to do the cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 8. You have to find out the difference of the product. Then 4 5s are 20, 8 3s are 24. This number is positive, this number is negative. Find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. This answer will come minus 1. Everybody understand? Then here also you have to do the cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 6. 8 4s are 32 and 6 4s are 24. Here from the bigger number you have to subtract the smaller number. This answer will come plus 8. Means we will get the value of d as 2, value of dx as minus 4, value of dy as 8. If you want to find out dx, at that time x is equal to dx upon d. Then you have to put the value of dx. Dx is equal to minus 4 and d is equal to 2. You have to put the value and this becomes 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This answer will come, this will come minus 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 will come and y is equal to 4 will come. Therefore, you have to say that, therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4 are solutions of given equation. Everybody understand? Means, first of all, you have to compare this given linear equations with standard form of the linear equation. You have to find out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. From that you have to find out d. From that you have to find out dx. From that you have to find out dy. By tricky method, I already told that a, b, c, b, a, c, a, b, c, b, a, c, downside a, upside 1 and downside 2 you have to write. and you have to solve this example. I think you understand all these things. So I already explained both the example. Both the example you have to write on the notebook. Everybody understand? Write down all these things properly. Both the equations you have to solve.